I have the most rare and viral products from Drunk Elephant, Sol de Janeiro, Glow Recipe, The Ordinary, and today I'm going to be adding all of them into my slime, along with a bunch of other super satisfying viral slime hacks, so let's get into the first one. We all know water slime, right? It's crazy, it's hard to make, and honestly just the most satisfying or disgusting slime ever. But I was thinking, what happens if you put a bath bomb in a water slime? Because you're supposed to put bath bombs in water, right? But everything in my life is revolved around slime. So I need to think of a way to incorporate it into slime. And one time, we made the most disgusting slime ever because Andrea took an entire basket of bath bombs and put it into a normal slime, and it was absolutely disgusting. And I tried to fix that in a graveyard slime video, and that was horrible and terrible. But that was not a water slime. So I think there will be a much different reaction if I'm using a water slime. This water slime is also not the most crazy water slime I've ever felt, if I'm honest. It's kind of going through some testing still. So this is going to be our bath for today. It's looking a little bubbly on the top, which is perfect because it's definitely supposed to be this bath theme. And here are the bombs. We have Venus, Neptune, Mars, Uranus, and Saturn flavored bath bombs today. I'm not sure what it means that all of these are planet scented, but let's see what Mars smells like. It comes in this tiny little container. Now these are very different bath bombs to what Andrea used. So this should have a very different reaction. Let's see, this is gonna bubble up and it's gonna be crazy and it's gonna be insane. It might explode, it's a bomb, you don't really know. This is gonna be probably the craziest thing you've ever seen at Peachybbies. 3, 2, 1. It's not even fizzing up. Oh, it is a little bit. Wow, this is crazy. Last time we did this, it started fizzing and bubbling, and it looked like it was like a reactor bubbling over. Let's see if by mixing it in, we can get a bit of a cooler reaction here. Come on, bath bomb, this is your moment to shine. Okay, it is honestly kind of looking really cool, but I think it's time to add a second planet in here. Let's have this be an entire solar system of a bath experience. You know what, I feel like Neptune really doesn't get a lot of recognition. People talk about Mars so much. Neptune is a special little guy, and he deserves attention too. Okay, this one's looking really cool. It's purple with this blue dust on top of it, and it's the exact opposite color of the Mars one, so this will be an interesting experiment. Let's drop it in again. Oh, that was cool. Ooh, let's see what it looks like under. Ooh! That should not have reacted like that. And it's turning my water slime into an even more liquidy state. And the goal of this was to be super satisfying. And it's looking kind of gross, if I'm honest. I'm not a big fan. But now that I'm playing with it up on the top here, it is activating the slime a little bit. So I'm not crazy. It is causing the slime to stick together a little bit right here. Get a little sample. See, that's slime. But it's not beautiful. The goal here was to make a super satisfying, awesome slime video. Is this super satisfying? I don't know, you guys will have to honestly tell me in the comments. Let's do some mixing here and see if that's where the satisfying stuff comes in. Ooh, it's bubbling up from me mixing it around. That is really cool. And now that I'm mixing it, it looks like 4th of July colors. This is actually so cool. All I had to do is mix it up a little bit. Whoa. Okay, so if you mix in all of the bubbles and push the bath bombs down to the bottom, they will come up. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, I take it back. This is very satisfying. And this is like something you could so easily try at home. Oh my gosh, look at this big chunk of slime that it made. Oh my gosh. The bath bomb created this, a brand new slime. I'm just gonna keep mixing up this slime soup until both of the bath bombs are fully dissolved, and then we'll get our final verdict. Was this satisfying or not? Okay, so that was semi-satisfying, I guess. It kind of turned this entire slime into liquid, but it took all of the activated slime and clumped it together. Whoa! And also, these bath bombs aren't even done yet. They're like not even halfway. I don't know what is in a bath bomb to make it do that, but I'm gonna give that 4 out of 10 on the satisfying scale, but I know for a fact that the next one is going to be much higher. I've seen this next viral slime hack all over the internet for honestly like years, And I just so happen to have one of these little frothing machines, which I never had access to before, so now it is the perfect opportunity for me to try this. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your Peachybbies branded clear glue and put it in your clear container here. So the goal here is to make just a normal clear slime, but we're making it in a very satisfying way. Okay, so I want it to be really full so we can get the full extent of the satisfying capabilities of this next pack. I have two different colors of gel. Now, I don't know if people normally use gel dye for this or if they use watercolor dye, but I'm gonna go with gel dye. So I'm just gonna put some dots on top, and then a couple of blue dots. Okay, so now that it looks like my slime has a disease, we're gonna let it sit for a second and watch as it falls down. That was already pretty satisfying, but this next part is the main part. Now that all of our dye has pretty much dripped down to the bottom, we're gonna mix it up like it's a little latte or whatever, I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Don't let it go out of the water. Whoa, okay, this is looking really cool, but I think I'm having a problem because my little spinner isn't strong enough to mix it all up, but it is looking pretty cool. Like when you get down here to the bottom, it literally can't even mix it because it's too much glue. It was definitely satisfying and pretty. I think maybe if I had a stronger spinner, that would be like a 10. But because my spinner is so weak, I can't even add the activator because I know it'll just break it. So I'm gonna give this one a really solid 6 out of 10 because it was satisfying, but it wasn't perfect. But I know that the next two, I'm going to predict that they will be hopefully perfect. We'll see. This is the slime hack that you guys have been waiting for, okay? I got all of the most viral skincare products from Sephora. Some of these were really hard to track down, like this Laneige sleeping mask. This thing is so hard to find, dude. We had to go to like 3 different Sephoras just to find this. In the past, Anna has done a full face of makeup products on slime, but I consider myself to be a skincare girly. I love skincare so much, and I know that you guys do too. I know Sephora skincare is so popular right now, so I thought it would be the perfect thing to do. I'm going to color my slime with skincare, scent my slime with skincare, and definitely change the texture because I think this might deactivate my slime. So first off, let's look at what we have. We have the Fenty Skin Face Mask, Glow Recipe Blur Drops, this Ordinary Support Serum. This is the very famous Drunk Elephant, you know, the moisturizer that does the thing. Daily Cleanser, so we'll probably do that first. This is another serum, Avocado Ceramide. This is a toner, I know that. And then the lip masks, we're gonna do like here, the extremely famous Drunk Elephant Bronzing Drops. And then of course, the Sol de Janeiro Bomb Bomb Cream. Is it Bomb Bomb or Bum Bum? So my only worries here is that this is going to deactivate my slime, which I'm almost certain that it will. But we're gonna start off by washing our slime's little slime face. So let's just wash her face. I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. I only used a little tiny bit because I didn't want to oversaturate it right off the bat. That's looking pretty clean. We got all of her makeup off by washing her face right there. Next, it is time for this very expensive Fenty Skin Face Mask. We're gonna use this all over because this is the color we're adding to our slime here. This is so weird, dude. Now you want to let this sit, so we're gonna see what happens. I can definitely feel that this is already sort of deactivating my slime, but also the color really not coming through here, and I was hoping for like some bright red. I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes and then we're gonna mix it in. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. My slime is looking stickier and stickier by the second. Hopefully my slime will not be a disgusting deactivated mess by the end of this. It's already basically there, if I'm honest. This is our Glow Recipe Toner. I'm gonna put it on my hands first because I'm pretty sure this is what you're supposed to do. And then, I swear this is what you're supposed to do. Okay, so this is really gonna add my scent to the slime here. There's no really real scent from the face mask. The wash was sort of an orangey scent. This is sort of like a lemony scent. And so now we've got like a very citrus, clean, spa smelling slime, which is perfect. It is time for the most exciting part. These little lip masks, dude. Everybody's always talking about these. Comes with this adorable tiny little spoon. This is the cotton candy flavor. This is probably way too much, honestly, because I'm pretty sure you're only supposed to use the slightest little bit. Oh, it's really thick. Honestly, I thought that the cotton candy was gonna be like disgusting, but that's pretty nice. That's pretty refreshing and lovely. Let's just pretend her lips are right here. We're gonna put it, oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Just gonna hydrate her lips a little bit. I don't wanna only give her one. She deserves both. This is her like extremely expensive skincare day. I can't believe I'm doing this on a slime. What am I doing? What is my life? Let's give her a little smile, actually. She's so happy that she's here right now. Now it is time for my serums. Originally, when I was gonna do this, I was just gonna add my serums onto here, but this is the main event when it comes to modern skincare. If you don't know, this is called a skin smoothie. So you're gonna start off with your Drunk Elephant, get the squish up, then you take your Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. This is very important. Drop them in here. This is what like kids are known for nowadays, to go into Sephora and do on the testing products, which is not good. I know you guys love doing that, but people hate it when you do that. But honestly, I would probably do that. Then you take all of your serums, because these serums are gonna go on your face anyways. So I'm just gonna put them into my skincare smoothie. This is the cutest ordinary serum because it's bright pink. So then you add that in here. I've never made a skincare smoothie before, and I am understanding the hype right now. This is very fun, if I'm honest. I'm gonna mix it up while it's here. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on my skin. Just rub it all in. I really thought the color was gonna pop through more here. This is still just looking like a slightly brown, pinkish, but we still have the Bum Bum cream. So she's done all her skincare, her lips are hydrated, she's ready for bed, she's about to be mixed together, but first,
need some butt cream.
some butt cream. We're just gonna slather it on there. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. How deactivated this slime has really gotten. Ooh. I'm just disappointed that the colors didn't come through more, honestly. I specifically got brightly colored skincare so that it would be a brightly colored slime. This is like one of the most boring colored slimes I've ever made. So for doing skincare on your slime, I would say it is super fun, very enjoyable, a little bit of a waste of your skincare. So I would not suggest that you do it, but I am glad that I got the opportunity to show it to you. Is it satisfying? To do it, yes, but the end product, no. So I'm going to give this a 9 for the process of putting it together and a 2 for the resulting slime. But the next one will be a different story. For our final and arguably most exciting viral slime hack, we have an entire makeup palette. What is this called? Eyeshadow palette, that is what it's called. I know you guys have seen this before when people add clear slime onto their eyeshadow palettes. The best part of opening any eyeshadow palette is this. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. These are so vibrant. Whoa, oh my gosh, look at that swatch. If there's eyeshadow left after this, I will definitely be using it. I'm in love, look at that. That is so vibrant. Now that I'm absolutely covered in all sorts of colors, it's time for slime. So here is our beautiful clear slime. It is now time to just drizzle it on. Oh, that went way faster than I expected. Oh no, the beautiful eyeshadow palette. Oh goodness, I'm trapped in slime gel again. What you're supposed to do before you play with slightly underactivated clear slime, rub your hands with a little bit of activator. This is one of my favorite slime hacks to watch because it always ends up so satisfying. But looking at this right now, that looks like somebody threw up a slushie on top of my makeup. Let's get rid of all of this excess slime here. Now we have our beautiful thin layer of clear slime. Let me see what happens when I close it. Hey guys, welcome back to my makeup review. Today we're doing eyeshadow. This is a mistake. Eyeshadow. Don't try this at home. This has been bad. What I'm supposed to do now? What the heck? Okay, let's. No! Oh my gosh, this is a huge disaster right now. It would have made such a beautiful eyeshadow look, and now I've ruined it all. Okay, well, let's see what we can salvage here. We're changing plans here. Okay, so obviously this was the biggest disaster that's ever happened on Peachybbies property, and we need to pivot. So another thing that people do in these satisfying videos is you take your eyeshadow and you break it up a little bit, and then you add it to your slime, and then it colors your slime just like a pigment would. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's try this. Now, originally, I was absolutely not going to do this because, as I said, I wanted to salvage this eyeshadow palette, but now that's definitely not going to happen. You guys, please comment down below, rest in peace, beautiful eyeshadow palette, because I just thought that I had found the eyeshadow palette of my dreams. But this is looking cool. Whoa, look at that. That's beautiful. And it's taking the slime off. I feel like I might be able to use some of these. Everything's working out, you guys. You just have to stay positive. Okay, we're gonna put that aside, see what's going on over here. The slime is coming right off. Oh my gosh. Now, it's looking a little messed up, but that's salvageable. I I can use that, and I will be using that. This is our resulting slime here. It's glittery, it's beautiful, it's kind of brown, but I think it's pretty. I really like it. I can't believe how poorly that went. And I wanna tell you guys that I legitimately went into this trying my best to make it actually work out. I can't believe how badly it went. But I just can't stop swatching these. Oh my gosh, I'm having the time of my life right now. But was this satisfying the way that I did it? No, not at all. I'll give it a 1 out of 10. The eyeshadow palette itself, 10 out of 10. This is my new best friend. The resulting slime, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's very pretty. It's a little deactivated, but the glitter is so nice. I made such a mess making this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go do my eyeshadow, and I will see you back here later.